4-in-1 retractable car fast charger. This compact 4-in-1 charger is designed to keep multiple devices powered while eliminating cable clutter. It includes two retractable 80mm cables, USB-C and Lightning, along with additional USB-A and USB-C ports, allowing you to charge up to 4 devices simultaneously. With a total output of 100 W, it supports fast charging for smartphones, tablets, and other electronics. An integrated LED display shows your vehicle's system voltage in real time, helping monitor battery health. The 180-degree swivel plug ensures a secure fit in the cigarette lighter socket, making it practical and convenient for everyday driving. Pricey. 15. Cordless car vacuum cleaner. This cordless vacuum cleaner is a powerful solution for keeping your car interior spotless. It uses a 225-watt brushless motor capable of producing up to 23,000 pascals of suction power, strong enough to remove dust, debris, and deeply embedded dirt. It offers 3 cleaning modes: boost mode for heavy dirt, standard mode for everyday use, and eco mode for lighter cleaning while conserving battery. The cyclonic filtration system ensures consistent suction performance, and the included air blowing nozzle allows it to clean keyboards, vents, and tight spaces. Its cordless design makes it easy to handle and store. Price. 130. Portable car electric kettle. The portable car electric kettle lets you boil water directly inside your vehicle, making it perfect for road trips, camping, or long drives. It plugs into the car's 12V cigarette lighter socket and can heat water to around 100 degrees C, allowing you to prepare coffee, tea, or instant meals anytime. Most models feature stainless steel interiors for safe, odor-free heating and include temperature displays so you can monitor the heating process. Safety features like auto shut-off and dry burn protection prevent overheating. Its compact thermos-like design fits easily into cup holders, making it convenient for daily use and travel.
Do you store all of this? A tidy trunks for a calmer drive. This foldable organized compartment holds up to 69 liters, plus it with a removable 23-liter insulated cooler bag, waterproof lining for drinks and food. Made from 100D Oxford fabric with reinforced stitching, it can handle loads of over 27 kilograms. So panels let you fold it down compactly when it's not. For added safety on night drives, the makers also include. The price is $22. 100D Oxford fabric with reinforced stitching, it can handle loads of over 27 kilograms. So panels let you fold it down compactly when it's not. For added safety on night drives.
Car Cine Portable Car Cinema. The Car Cine is the world's first portable cinema system designed specifically for use inside a car, turning your vehicle into a private theater in seconds. It features a compact 2K DLP projector with 700 lumens brightness and an ultra-short throw lens, allowing it to project large, clear images even in tight cabin spaces. The included 32-inch screen automatically unfolds at the press of a button and attaches securely to the car roof using heavy-duty suction cups. Its built-in battery supports up to 200 open and close cycles, ensuring long-term reliability. The system is controlled through a mobile app, and audio connects directly to the car sound system via Bluetooth, delivering an immersive cinematic experience. Price. $296. GRP Ground Anchor. The GRP Ground Anchor is a professional-grade foldable winch support developed by military engineers at Red Ridge Industries. Designed for extreme recovery situations, this anchor offers an impressive braking strength of over 5 tons, while weighing only 16 kilograms. Its foldable design allows it to expand to 118/58 cm for use and collapse to a compact size of 63/25 femrin, making it significantly easier to transport compared to similar anchors. This portability makes it especially valuable for off-road vehicles, heavy machinery, and recovery teams working in remote areas. The device is constructed from high-quality European steel and coated with a military-grade anti-corrosion finish manufactured in the United States, ensuring durability even in harsh weather conditions. Advanced computer simulations were used in its design to guarantee long-term strength and reliability. It is particularly suitable for machines weighing over 3 tons and works best with soft shackles. Priced at $659. The GRP Ground Anchor is an essential safety tool for professionals who need dependable recovery equipment in critical environments. Scott Fury WFS Motocross Goggles. The Scott Fury WFS motocross goggles are designed to solve one of the biggest problems faced by riders: dirty and obstructed vision. These goggles feature the advanced WFS 50 roll-off system, which uses a transparent anti-stick mesh to keep mud, dirt, and debris from blocking the rider's view. This ensures clear visibility even during intense riding conditions, such as motocross races or muddy off-road trails. The cleaning system can be installed quickly without tools, and riders can switch between roll-off and tear-off systems easily, even while wearing gloves. Comfort is another key feature of these goggles. They include a 3-layer foam padding that molds perfectly to the rider's face, providing both comfort and protection. The silicone strap ensures a secure fit, preventing slipping during high-speed riding. Additionally, the goggles come with a no-fog lens that provides 100% UV protection, keeping the rider's eyes safe from harmful sunlight. Compatible with medium and large helmets, these goggles offer professional performance at a price of $140, making them a valuable investment for serious riders. Arctic Anchor Ice Anchor. The Arctic Anchor is a specialized rescue device created by a family-owned company in Minnesota, designed specifically for icy environments. Weighing only 1 kilogram and measuring 50 cm in length, this compact tool can support an incredible load of up to 4.5 tons. It is ideal for rescuing stuck vehicles such as ATVs, snowmobiles, and other winter transport equipment. Its patented design allows users to drill a hole in the ice, insert the anchor, and let it deploy underneath the surface, creating a secure anchor point for winching the vehicle out. The anchor is made from rust-resistant aluminum, ensuring it remains durable even when exposed to salt water. It also includes a retrieval cable and a breathable storage bag, which helps dry the device quickly and prevents corrosion or mold growth. This tool significantly reduces recovery time, turning hours of digging and waiting into a quick self-rescue operation. For winter adventurers and ice-fishing enthusiasts, the Arctic Anchor is a life-saving tool that provides safety and independence in dangerous conditions. Trotion Recovery System. The Trotion Recovery System is a highly advanced vehicle recovery tool from Germany that looks futuristic but serves a very practical purpose. It is designed to lift and move stuck vehicles using vertical lift blocks mounted on extendable supports that slide along horizontal rails. This allows the system to physically raise the vehicle and shift it out of difficult situations such as deep mud, sand, or snow. The basic version allows forward and backward movement using powerful hydraulic cylinders, while the premium version adds side-to-side motion, giving complete directional control. This system attaches directly to the vehicle's chassis or floor without significantly affecting ground clearance. Its aggressively designed support adapters provide excellent grip on all types of terrain, including ice and sand. When not in use, the lifting blocks fold neatly over the vehicle's roof for storage, although it requires some space around the vehicle to operate. It offers one of the most effective recovery solutions available, capable of freeing vehicles, even when they are stuck up to the roof. MaxTrax Light Sand Tracks. The MaxTrax Light Sand Tracks are lightweight vehicle recovery boards designed to help vehicles escape from sand, mud, and other soft surfaces. Australian engineers reduced the weight of these tracks by 48%, with each track weighing only 1/8 kg, making them extremely easy to carry and handle. Despite their lighter weight, they remain highly effective due to their aggressive teeth, which grip the tires and provide the traction needed to move the vehicle forward. These tracks are 895 mm long and feature a patented double ramp design that works from both ends, allowing flexible positioning under the tires. Built-in shovels are included to help clear sand or mud before placing the tracks. Made from durable thermoplastic, they are strong enough for repeated use while remaining lightweight. They also include ergonomic handles and mounting holes for easy storage and transport. Priced at $160, they are an excellent recovery solution, especially for smaller off-road vehicles. MaxTrax Motorboard. The MaxTrax Motorboard is an innovative multi-purpose recovery tool designed specifically for motorcyclists. This clever system combines foldable recovery rails, a 2-liter water tank, and a stabilizer plate for the motorcycle kickstand, all in one compact unit. It mounts directly onto the pannier racks of an enduro bike, making it easy to carry without taking up extra space. This makes it especially useful for riders traveling in remote areas where assistance may not be available. The motorboard is constructed from strong, high-quality materials including mineral-filled nylon and marine-grade stainless steel fasteners, ensuring durability and long life. It also features lock points for attaching anti-theft chains, adding an extra layer of security. The product comes in the brand's signature orange and titanium colors and includes a lifetime warranty. At $480, it provides peace of mind for adventure riders by combining multiple essential functions into one reliable tool. Warn XT17 Portable Winch. The Warn XT17 is a compact and portable winch designed especially for lightweight vehicles such as motorcycles, ATVs, and small off-road machines. Despite its small size and weight of only 4 kg, it delivers an impressive pulling capacity of 770 kg. This strength comes from its advanced 3-stage planetary gear system, which provides an ideal balance between pulling power and operating speed. Its patented disc brake ensures safety by holding the load securely even when power is disconnected. Another major advantage of this winch is its 12-meter synthetic rope, which is much safer than traditional steel cables because it does not snap dangerously if it breaks. Instead, it simply falls to the ground. The winch can connect to any standard 12-volt battery, including those from motorcycles, ATVs, or cars. Users can control it with either a wired remote for precise handling or a switch mounted directly on the device for quick operation. Although it costs around $1,000, its reliability makes it extremely valuable for riders who travel alone in remote areas. NSX Factor Lift Straps. The NSX Factor Lift Straps are heavy-duty lifting straps designed to help riders lift their motorcycles safely and easily after a fall. These straps are made from double-layer nylon, providing exceptional strength and ensuring they do not slip or twist during use. This is especially important when lifting a heavy bike on muddy, steep, or uneven terrain where grip and stability are critical. The handles are covered with abrasion-resistant neoprene, making them comfortable to hold and durable enough to withstand repeated use over time. The straps are attached using high-strength bolts, including Class 12, 9 fasteners for the main mounting points, which are among the strongest available. Designed through collaboration between riders and engineers, these straps integrate seamlessly with the bike and look like original equipment. At a price of just $35, they provide an affordable and effective solution that reduces physical strain and improves safety during recovery. NSX Factor Lift Straps. The NSX Factor Lift Straps are heavy-duty lifting straps designed to help riders lift their motorcycles safely and easily after a fall. These straps are made from double-layer nylon, providing exceptional strength and ensuring they do not slip or twist during use. This is especially important when lifting a heavy bike on muddy, steep, or uneven terrain where grip and stability are critical. The handles are covered with abrasion-resistant neoprene, making them comfortable to hold and durable enough to withstand repeated use over time. The straps are attached using high-strength bolts, including Class 12, 9 fasteners for the main mounting points, which are among the strongest available. Designed through collaboration between riders and engineers, these straps integrate seamlessly with the bike and look like original equipment. At a price of just $35, they provide an affordable and effective solution that reduces physical strain and improves safety during recovery. Smittybilt X20 Gen 3 Winch. The Smittybilt X20 Gen 3 is a heavy-duty winch designed for extreme recovery situations even underwater. It comes with an IP68 waterproof rating, meaning it can function perfectly even when fully submerged. This powerful device delivers an impressive pulling capacity of 5 tons, thanks to its sealed 7-horsepower motor and forged internal gears. Its 3-stage planetary gear system provides both high pulling strength and smooth operation, making it suitable for recovering heavy vehicles stuck in mud, water, or snow. This winch also includes a strong synthetic rope that is 9.5 m thick and 30 meters long, providing both safety and flexibility. The automatic braking system ensures the load remains secure at all times. Users can operate it using a wireless remote or a wired 3-meter cable for more precise control. Weighing 34.5 tons and priced at around €1,000. It also comes with a lifetime warranty on mechanical parts and a 5-year warranty on electrical components, making it a reliable long-term investment.